Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruising Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. This is an L82 model with 10,987 actual miles. And it shows. This is a T-top car. We have two sets of T-top, which you'll see the smoke clear on it right now. And we do have the set that matches the car, the full metal, the blacks. Factory air conditioning. So beauty and brains. And then there's this. Beautiful L82 engine. It's a 350. Tons of chrome, tons of stainless. Beautiful pulley system in the front. I mean, there is chrome everywhere. That is cold blowing factory air conditioning. That is also a numbers matching engine. 10,987 actual miles. It runs and drives. It is a manual 4-speed. Runs and drives like a low mileage car. And looks as well. Make sure you hang out at the end of the video. Check out the still pictures of the interior undercarriage. A little bit closer to the engine compartment. A little bit more light. Make sure you go to our website at cruisingclassicsinc.com to check out all the pictures there as well. Center console is, a lot of times you'll find them faded and worn out. This is, it is not. Tilt wheel, telescopic wheel, all working gauges. Great carpet. Door panels both sides in perfect condition. Bolster of the seat not torn. Make sure again to hang out and check out the better pictures. 4-wheel disc brakes. And those are power. Power steering, power brakes, power windows. Yeah, go to our website, cruisingclassicsinc.com, and you'll see a detailed description there. And this has a lot to talk about. Give us a call here if we can help out with anything. Any questions on this or even any other cars or trucks that we have in stock. Beautiful 1978 Chevrolet Corvette L82 T-tops factory air, ready to rock and roll. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruising Classics.